I think the biggest challenge that nonprofits face when finding new donors really comes down, at least initially, to the element of time.
Finding donors that align with your organization's mission is one of the biggest challenges nonprofits face.
This includes aligning with the nonprofit's mission, having the wealth to be able to donate, and being in a position at the time of the ask to be able to make that donation.
The second element that plays into that is really finding the right resources and or the solutions that help them do that research in as an efficient manner as possible. So they're not having to go to 3, 5, 10 different places before they feel like they've actually got a good comprehensive view of a donor.
On NDP, all of these different sources are centralized with access to public records information that allows these nonprofits to understand the full comprehensive picture of their donors and prospects, allowing them to meet this challenge head on.